sound does a cow make?
Moo.
What sound does a ducky make?
Quack, quack, quack.
What an alligator? What a fishy? A puppy dog. A grown-up dog.
Woo, 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 woo.
A monkey. Kitty cat. A chicken. A turkey. A bear. That's really good. What about a squirrel? What about a flying squirrel? And what about a bat? That's really good. What about a dinosaur? What about wind? That's really good. Do you have any animals you'd like to do? What about piggy? What about a sheep? That's really good. You're really good at animals. What's your favorite animal?
Dog.
What kind of dog?
Chihuahua.
Why do you like chihuahuas?
'Cause I have one.
What's his name?
Peanut.
Peanut? What do you call him for? Is the nickname?
Nuts.
Nuts?
Yeah.
I call him Nut or Butter.
Nutsy.
How old's Peanut?
He's 3.
Does he like you?
He loves me.
Where does he sleep?
In my room in his bed.
Aww. Are you thinking about him right now?
Yes.
Do you miss him?
Yes.
Aww. Say hi to Peanut.
Butter. Hi, Nutter Butter. Hello. Hi, Nutter Butter.
Alright, say bye. Gotta go.
Bye, gotta go.